I open my eyes and look at the clock. It is 7:30 a.m. I oversleep. I jump out of bed immediately. There is no time to lose today. I search through my desk drawer. Where is my passport? Ah, there it is. I throw my clothes, a bikini, and my chargers into my travel backpack. I grab my hot coffee mug from the kitchen counter. I need this energy. I lock my apartment door behind me and run down the hallway. I open my phone and quickly order a taxi to the airport. I carry my heavy bags and run down the long staircase. The car arrives. I hop into the back seat and tell the driver to hurry. Hurry, please! I check my smartwatch. It is already 8:15 a.m. I feel so nervous. Finally, I arrive at the massive airport terminal. I run inside. I look up at the giant screen to find my check-in counter. I smile at the airline agent and hand over my passport. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. I place my large suitcase on the scale. It weighs 22 kilograms. Perfect. The agent prints my boarding pass and wishes me a great trip. Have a great trip. Thank you. Now, I walk to security. I stand in a very long queue.
I empty all my pockets and put my phone into a gray plastic bin.
I remove my silver laptop from my backpack for the security check. I walk through the body scanner and take a deep breath. Success! I buy a hot iced latte and a fresh croissant as a reward. I sit down at the gate, eat my snack, and wait for my flight. I step into the cabin and find my window seat. This is so exciting! I sit down and fasten my seatbelt tightly for takeoff. The plane moves fast. I feel the powerful takeoff as we leave the ground. I look out the window and watch the beautiful white clouds.
Hours later, we fly over green trees. I land in tropical Costa Rica.